FBS Trader all-in-one trading platform is a great app to trade and profit mobile, and it's really easy to use. You can start your Forex journey in several easy steps. FBS Trader is available both for iOS and Android smartphones. Go to the store, find FBS Trader, tap the install button, open the downloaded app. Now all you need to do to start trading is to register your account. Tap on the registration link at the bottom of the screen. Choose the way you want to register, via email, Facebook, or Google, and tap on the Decided button. For email registration, also enter your email and your name. Tap the Register button. Set a PIN to protect your account. Activate biometrics usage for quicker login. You can also skip this step and add PIN later. Tap Confirm button. Choose the type of account you want to trade. Create demo to learn trading, or real account to enter the real market. By completing these easy steps, you have successfully registered in FBS Trader. Now you can explore all the trading options on the go and trade with comfort.
That's Forex in a nutshell. Stay tuned for more videos.